Hey there, here's a super quick tutorial on changing out the lenses for your Ray-Ban Meta Headliner frame. Here's what I'm going to be doing. It's just a very simple push from back to front in order to get these lenses out. And I'm essentially going to be doing a rolling motion with my hand, pushing with my two thumbs to push these lenses out. Let me show you how that looks. I'm just going to hold it here on the top and bottom edges of the frame using my other fingers, and I'm going to push, and nice and easily that lens pops out. Let me just show you that again with this other one here. I'm going to just hold that by the top and bottom and push, and there we go, the lens is out. Now if you want to fit those back in, it's essentially the reverse process. We're just doing that from front to back instead. I'm going to align that in this side closest to the camera, and we'll get that lens into place there, holding that in the bevel of the frame itself. And what I'm going to do is start applying pressure along each side, the top and the side here, until, there we go, we hear that nice loud click and the lens goes into place. I'll just show you that again with the other lens here. I'm going to get that in that top side, and you see how nice and easily it goes in along the top there, especially on these frames. And then I'm just going to apply some pressure with my thumb going in this direction until, there we go, we hear that snap nicely into place.